Hey, iPhone users. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are delving into the world of vibrations. Whether you want to sense incoming calls or silent alerts, we're here for you. Begin. Step 1. Open Settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Sounds Feeling. Step 2. Turn on Vibration. Make sure that one or both Vibrate on Ring and Vibrate on Silent are turned on. On iPhone it will be Play Haptics in Ring mode and Play Haptics in Silent mode. You will know that the vibration mode is activated when the bars are green. Remember, the vibrations will keep you updated. News can come at any time and notify you with bell and vibration feature. You won't miss any notifications coming to your device. You can set it to different sounds, from flute, guitar, and even your favorite songs. I bet this feature will be extremely useful to you, even if you are someone who doesn't like noise and values privacy but can't help but receive news updates, etc. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next useful videos.